A strange footage of a massive UFO sighting over Austin, Texas, has gone viral on social media and UFO websites, sparking both intrigue and skepticism from viewers. The video shows a bizarre object hovering in the sky, its shape and size defying simple explanations. The video shows a giant UFO sending a light code using Morse code to the people of Earth, has been making waves on social media and UFO forums, leaving many viewers puzzled and intrigued by the mysterious message. The footage shows a strange object hovering in the sky, emitting a series of bright flashes that follow a distinct pattern of dots and dashes, similar to the flying saucer that landed in Germany. When testing the video frame by frame, we discover something very interesting, which is the transformation of the spaceship into a state similar to the plasma state, and this is what humans have not yet reached.